Hello! How are you today? I hope everybody is happy and healthy. And we have a message from your teachers, and each one is doing a challenge. So you listen and see what they're doing. And everybody take care. Bye.
How are you? I'm Justin. Today, how is the weather where you are? Here, it's cloudy, but that's okay. Now, today's challenge is how many times can you jump rope? Let's see how many times I can jump rope. Jump rope. Now, as an added bonus, how many times can you jump rope on one foot? Just a second. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, it's me, Matthew. How are you? Good, I hope you're fine. Okay, so I am going to give you a challenge. Now, do you like drawing? I do. I love drawing. I love art. I like beach art. So this is one of my one of my pieces of artwork. Okay, so your challenge is to draw, paint. You can use color pencils, crayons, paints, even digital art is okay on your computer. Okay, so your challenge is to draw some beach art. It can be the ocean, the beach itself, sand, palm trees, anything you like, any color is fine. Alright, so there you go, that's mine, a ship's anchor. So that is your challenge. Okay, so please enjoy the day, enjoy drawing art, and when I see you again, I'd love to see your art too. Okay, take it easy, bye for now. Hello, here is my art. So to give you some ideas, okay, so any color is fine. Okay, so here you are. So please do your best, and I'm looking forward to seeing your art. Okay, so again, I do love the beach. I want to go to the beach every day, enjoy the sun, enjoy the sand, and enjoy the ocean. Okay, so take care and have fun drawing and painting and colouring. Okay, so I'll see you next time. See you, bye. Take it easy, bye.
Hello, I'm John. And today we're going to do a special stay home challenge. We're going to bake. Yay! And we have Yuko here to help us.